Sundew, your 100% Aussie-owned family business, has this fantastic value cockroach kit worth $225 retail for just $169.50. The kit contains 2 tubes of Abolish Pro Cockroach Gel, the latest baiting sensation, 4 tubes of Battle Axe Pro Cockroach Gel, ideal to use in rotation with Abolish, 1 Battle Axe Pro Aero for those hard to reach areas where flushing's a necessity, 1 Abolish Pro Tactical Holster to carry your gel at all times, 1 280 pack of Pesty Dots for accurate, clean application of gels, 1 Abolish Pro Sports Towel for the all-important cleanups after the job. And all of this comes in a very tough Aussie-made toolbox that you'll find many uses for, either in the vehicle or workshop, maybe even as a tackle box. Get in quick at all the usual resellers to save yourself over $55. Take the pressure off and just hand a kit to those new techs so they've got all the cockroach product that they need. This toolbox is no cheap imported piece of rubbish. It's a really tough, serious toolbox. It's not one of those things that you're going to have for 5 minutes and think, oh, this is no good. This is great. We tried to break it, as you can see. We jumped up and down on it, we did all sorts of things. It's a great toolbox. Get into it.